Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve the chapter 2 of the PowerPoint part of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you want me to do any other part like Excel part, Word part or Assess part, or if you want me to do your complete Cengage course, Simnet course or Pearson course, or if you want me to do your math work, stats work, finance work, accounting work, nursing work, psychology works or QuickBook work, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Now I am going to start that one assignment. Its name is Exp25 PPT Chapter 2 Cumulative Science Club. Its project description is given here, so you can read it carefully. You will understand what you need to do in this assignment. I am going to start from the first step. So by following these steps, you can complete your work. And if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get an A grades in your complete course, you can contact with me. In our first step, is asking start PowerPoint, download and open the file name Exp25 PPT Chapter 2 Cumulative Ocean. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Our first step basically involved the downloading of the PPT file from the Pearson dashboard and opening of that one file. I have already downloaded that one file and now I have opened that one file. I will just make that one enable edit. That's our first step. In our second step, what is he asking? He's asking change the theme fonts to Gil Sans empty. So we will go to the themes font. We will go to the design tab and here we will go to the variant tab. Variant in this we will select the fonts and which fonts he is asking to do select. He is asking to select the Gil Sans empty. That's our required font. We will select that one. That's now applied to our PPT. In our third step, what is he asking? On the slide 1, change the font color of the text to Aqua Accent 2. So we will select the title color. That's our title. We will change its color to Aqua Accent 2. We will select that one again and we will confirm it's Aqua Accent 2. That's now applied. What next he is asking to do? And the font size to 60. So we will change the font size to, in the home tab we will change the font size to 60. That's our size. Select the subtitle text box border and set the horizontal option to 0.8. So we will select that one. That's our option. We will change that one to border to 0.8. So we will select that one and we will change that one to 0.8. That's our required place. We have changed that one. What next he is asking to do? And vertical border to 5.9. So we will change the vertical border to 5. Change it to 5.9. That's our required place. What next is change the font size to 32 and apply italic. So we will change the font size to, we will select that one and change the font size to 32 and apply italic. That's now italic. That's the things we have applied to our subtitle. That's our third step. In our fourth step, what is he asking? Change the font color of the title text to Aqua Accent 2 on slide 3 and slide 6. So we will go to the slide 3. That's our slide. We will change the font color to Aqua Accent 2. And in our also slide 6, we will go to the slide 6 and change the title to Aqua Accent 6. Aqua Accent 2. That's our step number. That's our step number. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? On the slide 3, shorten the text, read even whales are not safe in the subtitled placeholder. So we will go to the slide 3. That's our slide 3. We need to shorten the text. So it will be only even whales are not safe in, so we will change that one. Even whales are not safe and remove the extra thing like that. That's our step. And what is he asking? Change the increase the font size to 28. So we will select that one font and select that one to 28. That's our step. In our sixth step, what is he asking? On the slide 7, shorten text in the title placeholder to be read informed and increase the informed. So be informed. So we will just select that one and go to the slide 7. That's our slide 7. And we will select that one and we will remove that one text from the title and make sure that it will be only be informed. What next we need to do? Increase the font to 54. So we will select that one fonts and increase its size to 54. That's our 54. We will select that one. What next he is asking? Shorten the subtitle text to read learn about issues and actions you can take. So we will go to put that one. We will remove that one with the text. That text. That's our step. What next he is asking? Increase the font size to 28. So we will select that one font. We have selected the font and we will change its font size to 28. That's now 28. What next we will do? Change the font color text hue to orange in the standard color section and apply bold. So we will select the orange color. We will select the orange color in the standard color. That's our orange color. We have selected that one. And what next he is asking to do? Apply bold. We will apply bold to our text. That's already applied. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? On the slide 7, insert a rectangle shape to the right of the fish icon. So we will go to the slide 4. That's our slide 4. We need to insert a rectangle. Here we will right of the fish icon. So we will go to insert tab and we will select the shapes and we will select the rectangle. That's our rectangle. We will insert it here. That's our required place. What next he is asking to do? Set the height to 4 and width to 3.4. So we will select the height to 4 and width to 3.4. 3.4. We will press enter. What next he is asking to do? Set the horizontal position to 9.4 inches and vertical position to 2 inches. So we will select that one. That's our 2 inches. And what is the, that's our place. Now we will change its size 4 inch and 3.4. That's our 4 inch and that's our 3.4. That's now our required place of the rectangle. What is our 8th step? In our 8th step, what is he asking? Apply the shape style intense effect black dark one to the rectangle. So we will go to the shape effect. That's our shape styles. We will apply the shape effect. That's our shape effect. We will go to the, which is asking intense effect, dark black dark one. So we will select intense effect. Intense effect, black dark one. That's applied to our required shape. And what next he is asking? Enter 9 out of 10 these thing in the text box. So we will copy that one and paste it in the box. Paste it in the box. That's our thing. Increase the font size to 28. So we will increase the font size to 28. That's our size. Select the number 9 in the text box. Increase the font size to 60. So we will select the number 9 only and increase its height to 60. Increase its font size to 60. That's our 60. What next he is asking to do? And change the font color to orange in the standard section. So we will change the color to orange in the standard section. That's our orange color. What next he is asking to do? Using the format painter, apply the format to the number 10 and go on in the text box. So we will select the format painter and we will apply this one to number 10 also. That's our step number 8. In our 9 step, what is he asking? Select the fish icon in the top row next, insert it to the rectangle and change the graphic fill to white background one. So we will select that one. That's our what? Select the fish icon in the top row next to the inserted rectangle. That's our one. That's one. And we will change the graphic fill to white background one. So we will select that one. Graphic. We will select the graphic fill and we will select the white background. White background one. We'll select as a white background one. That's our graphic we have applied. In our 10th step, what is he asking? On the slide 5, select the text placeholder with the code. So we will go to the slide 5. That's our text placeholder with the code. We have selected that one. What next he is asking? Apply the shape fill gradient linear dark variation and open the shape format pane and change the transparency to 70%. So we will apply the shape fill gradient linear down in the dark variation section. So we will go to the shape fill. We will go to the dark variation section. And what is he asking? Which one he is asking? Gradient linear down in the dark linear down. We will select the linear down. That's our linear down we have applied. What next he is asking to do? And change the transparency to 70%. So we will select the transparency to 70%. We have completed 10 steps in this assignment. We have total 22 steps in this assignment, and if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get an A grades in your assignments, or if you want me to do your complete Cengage course, Simnet course, Pearson course, math course, stats course, finance course, accounting course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video and in the thumbnail of the channel. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.